Hello, super friends. It's another cold, snowy day in Dunia. Only joking. I just wish it was a snowy day like we had on the Day of Dreams. It was such fun. We made virtual reality snow for everyone to enjoy. We made snowballs, went sledging, and made snowmen and snow angels. Even Tobor enjoyed the snow. You see, it had to be virtual snow because real snow hasn't fallen in Dunia in over 300 years. I wondered why, so I did some research. Did you know planet Earth is tilted slightly? This is why we get seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. When planet Earth is here, the part tilted towards the sun gets summer. But when Earth is over here, then the part tilted away from the sun gets winter. Dunia is right here near the equator, the imaginary circle halfway between the north and south poles. So Dunia is always roughly the same distance away from the sun. That's why we don't get winter here. And no winter means no snow. Wouldn't it be super cool if we could make a snowball for real? But how? Maybe we learned how real snow is made. We could make something like it right here in the lab. Let's do a supersatch. How are snowflakes made? At low temperatures, water vapor freezes onto a pollen or dust particle in the sky, making beautiful ice crystals, each one completely different. If the ice crystals are heavy enough, they fall and clump together to form snowflakes. Let's try to do something similar using instant snow. It's made from something called sodium polyacrylate. Phew, that's a lot of syllables. It's a polymer which is really good at absorbing water. Now let's make some instant snow. Yes, it worked! Wow, there's a lot! Avalanche! One perfect instant snowball. Now, I just have one more question. Who am I going to throw it at? Sorry, Tobor. Couldn't resist.